All right, here we go. We got the iPhone 14 Pro Max, as you can see here, in a dbrand grip case with that triple black skin on it, looking really, really good. We're just gonna go ahead and get right into it, starting with the small drop. Right here is about maybe a 2-foot drop. Nothing, you got a little baby drop right there. Okay, let's do about, this is a 4-foot drop right here. Boom, all right, so that's 2 drops so far. I'm doing the same drops that I did in my YouTube Shorts video that I posted yesterday. Then we'll do a few more. So this is about a 6-foot drop right here. Woo! And right here, if I make this, y'all gotta make sure to hit that subscribe button, but this is for all the basketball lovers out there, so let's see if I can do this, all right? Woo! Ooh, score! Y'all need to subscribe, I just made that. Let's do it again. Let's see. Woo! Oh! That was a little dangerous right there. I kind of went over, but it's still looking good. Okay, let's do a little accidental drop test, okay? Little real world accidental drop test here. Maybe you're sitting down with friends, you know, you got your phone on you, you're using it, you got your phone on your lap, maybe you're getting up, you forget it's on your lap, it falls on the ground, maybe you're walking, trying to put it in your pocket, maybe you got tight pockets like me, and you know, with the big iPhone 14 Pro Max like this, it's not always easy to put in there. You're trying to put it, you miss, woo, it falls flat down on the ground like that. Now this shouldn't happen because the dbrand grip case offers a lot of grip, so it shouldn't slip out of your hand, but you know, just in case, maybe you're talking on the phone, or maybe someone's walking by and they just plan to hit the phone out of your hand, or maybe you just want to be playful because you know you have a case that's really going to protect your phone. Maybe you just want to throw it at the wall. So got a lot of drops right there. Let's go and take a look at the phone. Let me take it out of the case here. Look at that. The phone is looking good, still performing well. Look at the back, no cracks. No scratches on the display. Everything is looking really good. So as you can see, this dbrand grip case definitely does a good job when it comes to protecting your iPhone 14 Pro Max. But you know what? Let's go ahead and head back inside, take a closer look at the phone, make sure there really isn't any scratches or cracks or anything, and then we'll take a closer look at the case on the device, see how it fits, and yeah, let's go ahead and head back inside. All right, so I've made my way back inside as you can see here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the phone really quick. As you can see, it is still in the grip case here, but let's go ahead and take this off. And then we'll first take a look at the screen here. So if we take a close look, as you can see, there is no cracks, no scratches. That screen is still looking brand new. All around the sides of the phone are looking good. All you can see are my fingerprints going all the way around the edges. Going to the back, as you can see, there is no cracks or damages to the back as well. Now I do have a skin around those camera lenses just to match the case. But as you can see, even on the camera lenses, there's no cracks. Everything is looking good. This case definitely did an amazing job at protecting this iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now, as you can see inside, it is like a nice soft kind of texture, not texture, but like a soft material inside. Feels really good. This kind of helps protect the phone, but it is a hard shell case, as you can see there. So it's really giving that phone that protection that it needs if you happen to accidentally drop it. It is MagSafe compatible, as you can see there. And the presentation when taking this case out of the box, when you receive it in the mail, this is going to be the box that it comes in. As you can see here, they got the label down at the bottom, iPhone 14 Pro Max grip case. And then it kind of opens up like this on each side. The case is going to go in the middle, just like this. Let me grab the case. Case is going to go just like this in the middle, as you can see there. And right here is a sleeve where they're going to put your extra skins if you did order any extra skins with your grip case. So let me go ahead and put this back over to the side. And as you can see, they did send me other skins right here. Now, the cool thing about this case right here that I really like is the fact that you are able to change up the skin. So not only is this case going to provide your device really, really good protection, but you get to add some style to it whenever you want. So as you can see right here, I'm peeling off the previous skin to put on the new skin, and the process is very, very easy. You simply just peel it off. You can wipe it up a little bit if you really need to. Most of the time you won't have to, and then you just line it up really good with the new skin and just kind of rub it on there. Good, make sure there's no air bubbles or anything like that, and you're good to go. It's really not that difficult to put these skins on these cases right here. This grip case is definitely something else. The fact that you're able to give your phone some good protection and be able to give it some style at the same time is great. And I really like these skins right here, especially this green one right here. I'll probably be using this not too long from now, but because of the fact that I just put this on to show you guys how to switch them off, I'll probably leave this on for a while. This is the triple black. This one is looking really good as well. But let's go ahead and put it on the phone. Snaps on really good like that, as you can see there, and it fits on really, really good. It doesn't feel loose or anything. If I go all the way around the edges, it's got a nice snap all the way around, as you can see there. Snaps on there really good, and it doesn't feel loose or anything. So as you've seen from my drop test, if you happen to drop it, multiple times, the case is not going to fall off of this device. It fits on there like a glove. Now, going to the back right here, as you can see, there is a nice deep enough cutout to protect those camera lenses from getting any damage if you do happen to accidentally drop this phone with this case on it. So it's definitely going to protect those cameras in the back again, as you saw from my drop test. Now, all the way around, and I mean all the way around the case, is a nice grippy texture material that feels really good in the hands. And it really gives you that feeling like, I'm not gonna drop this phone. No matter what, this phone is staying in my hands. I mean, it gives you that much grip all the way around. And then it gives you some added texture right here on the sides for that extra grip. So this phone is definitely not going to fall out of your hands. I mean, you really have to, I don't know, maybe have butter in your hands or something to make this slippery, but that's the reason they call this the grip case, because it's super grippy to prevent it from falling out of your hands. Of course, you got the power button here on the side, responds very well, nice and clicky. Going over to the left, got the volume rockers, nice and clicky, nice and responsive. And then of course, you got an opening for the toggle right there. Going up to the top, nothing but a bunch of grip. Going down to the bottom, of course, we got the cutouts for the speaker, microphone, and the charging port, precise cutouts right there. And like I said, this is MagSafe compatible, which also makes it wireless charging compatible. So let me grab my wireless charger. All right, so I got my wireless charger here ready to go. Let's go ahead and see if this phone does wirelessly charge. And there we go, it is wirelessly charging. So yes, this case is wireless charging compatible. Let me go ahead and get that out of the way. Now going to the front, we do have a good lift on the top and at the bottom of this case, to where if you were to accidentally drop it flat down on a flat surface like this, it should give it enough lift to where that screen doesn't touch any flat surface. Or even if you have it on a desk like this, sometimes we have debris. If we put our phone face down without a case that lifts it up high enough, it can possibly scratch that display. But this case right here gives it just enough lift to where you can slide it around if you want, and you won't get any damage done to that display. But overall, very cool, very protective case. Like I said, I love the fact that you can throw skins on here to change up the look whenever you want. You don't have to buy multiple cases to be able to keep your phone protected and change up the look. You can keep using the same exact case right here and just switch out the skins whenever you want. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. What do you think about the dbrand grip case? I gotta give a huge thanks and shout out to them for sponsoring this video. No, they did not ask me to do the drop test. That was all me, but they did go ahead and decide to sponsor this portion of the video. So again, huge thanks and shout out to them for that. But this is a case that I stand behind because I use it for all of my devices that they have it available for. You really can't go wrong with the dbrand grip case. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. If you are interested in this case right here, I'll have a special link down in the description below so you can pick one up for yourself. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.